Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for spending time with me. Happy Fridays. Welcome to Just Cook DC Cocktail Fridays. Let's make a vodka berry. Berries with vodka. Nice summery drinks. Kind of hot outside. Summer. I got some berries here. I got blackberry, raspberry, blueberries, strawberries, pineapple juice, and some fresh lime. First, we're gonna put some berries into the shaker. Leave some for garnishing. You're gonna see that later. Put a couple in there. It's blueberries, strawberries. Go right in there. Leave some for garnishing. Raspberries goes right in there. Leave some for garnishing. Lime juice. Of course, freshly squeezed. I do about juice of 1 lime, which is usually about 1 ounce. I'll cut off a slice from my lime. That's for garnishing. Next thing, we're gonna muddle this up. Get the berries to release their juice. Then I'm gonna put in pineapple juice, 1 ounce. My glass. And we're gonna sieve this into glass. So a nice berry juice. This gives me about 2 good ounces of concentrated juice. I got my pineapple in there, and now we build our drink. Ice into the shaker. My berry goes right in there. Pineapple juice. Another ounce. I'm gonna cover this up. I'm gonna give it a good shake. My vodka has been chilling in the freezer. Incorporate that real quick. And then we're gonna do 2 ounces of vodka. There we go. So total is 2 ounces of my berry mix, 2 ounces of pineapple juice, 2 ounces of vodka, and ice. So give it a good 15-second shake. That should do it. I got a cocktail glass ready to go. Now, with the garnish, kind of layer it up. So I'll put a couple of berries in there, raspberry, strawberry, and then we're gonna pour our berry vodka right in there. To the side. It's good. Get my lime wedge, put a slit down the middle. Doink. Throw in your berries. And there, folks, I have my berry vodka. If you want to fizzle, throw in some sparkling soda or sparkling water or soda water, whatever, they'll give you a fizzle, but I think this is good. Slap. Oh, yes. Good for summer drink, refreshing, packs a punch. Enjoy your weekend, folks. Happy Friday. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Have a good week.